You might have more than one objective for the day. That doesn't mean you need multiple pairs of pants. The Terrebonne Joggers offer ultra-lightweight, functional, do-it-all coverage for trails, mountains, and rivers. These pants have a comfortable elastic waistband and an unrestricted slim fit that makes it easy to keep moving. A draw cord allows for a dialed fit, and elastic cuffs keep excess fabric out of your way in technical terrain. The ultra-light, recycled polyester and spandex fabric dries fast, feels breezy, and doesn't stick to sweaty skin. A durable water-repellent finish made without intentionally added PFAS wards off drizzle and river spray. 2 drop-in pockets hold snacks, and a rear zippered pocket holds essentials like keys or a phone. From long days on the trail to long days at the crag, the Terrebonne Joggers are a singular solution for days when you're always moving.